Hi there, I'm Angelica Sigi. Today, we're gonna discuss the case of Ernestina Bernabe versus Carolina Alejo as guardian ad litem for the minor Adrian Bernabe. Facts. The late Fiscal Ernesto Bernabe allegedly fathered a son with his secretary Carolina Alejo. The son was born on September 18, 1981 and was named Adrian Bernabe. Ernesto and his legal wife died, leaving Ernestina as the sole surviving heir. Carolina, in behalf of his son Adrian, filed a complaint that Adrian be declared an acknowledged illegitimate son of Fiscal Bernabe and be given a share of his father's estate. RTC dismissed the complaint, but Court of Appeals ruled in favor of Carolina and his son Adrian. The issue of the case: whether or not the Family Code shall have retroactive effect. Ruling: no, Family Code should not be applied retroactively. Because the child was born in 1981, his rights are governed by Article 285 of the Civil Code, which allows an action for recognition to be filed within 4 years after the child has attained the age of majority.